Hello everyone, my name is Priya. I am from BB second semester of IIBM and today I am here to tell you all about partnership in business organization. Partnership in business organization is a type of business structure where two or more people come together to run a business and share its profit, loss, responsibility and decision making. Now let's talk about some features of partnership. First is agreement between partner. There should be agreement between all the partners in the firm. It can be oral or it can be written also. Next is unlimited liability. All the partners in the company have to bear unlimited liability, means they have to use their personal assets to pay the business debts. Next is profit sharing. All the partners should share the profit and loss equally or in a pre-decided ratio. And next is shared risk, that business and financial risks have to be shared by all the partners in the firm. Now, here are some advantages of partnership. First is shared responsibility. The management, the workload, the duties are divided among all the partners in the firm so that no one have the burden. And second is more capital. Partnership can pool more resources and may find it easier to get loans or credit. Next is shared risk, that financial and businesses risk are shared among all the partners so that no one find the burden. Now, here are some disadvantages of partnership. First is lack of continuity. If any of the person dies or withdraws, the partnership may get dissolved. Next is dispute among partners. If there will be many partners, there will be dispute and there will be conflict in their decision making, their thinking mentality, and this can create inefficiency. Next is limited capital. Compared to corporations, partnerships still have limited capital because they only depend on the contribution of partners. Here are some types of partners. There are total 6 types of partners. First is active partner. They are the type of partner who contribute capital to the firm and also take part in the day-to-day management. Next is sleeping partner. Sleeping partner, those kind of partner who contribute capital to the firm but do not take part in the day-to-day management. Next is nominal partner. They are the partners who only lend their name to the firm but do not contribute any capital to the firm. Next is secret partner. They are the type of partner who are kept confidential, but within the firm they do take part in the day-to-day management. Next is partner by estoppel. They are the partners who are not the actual partner of the firm, but they are treated as the one because of their behavior and representation. Next is partner by holding out. They are the partners who are also not actual partners, but they are represented as the one by themselves or by others. Here are types of partnership. It can be classified on the basis of duration and on the basis of liability. On the basis of duration, there are two types: partnership at will and particular partnership. And on the basis of liability, there are also two types, which is limited partnership and unlimited partnership. Partnership at will are those kind of partnership which has no fixed duration and it can dissolve at any time. Means two friends starting a startup with a formal informal agreement, so it can dissolve at any time. Next is particular partnership. They are the type of partnership which are formed for specific project, like a construction. If anyone have got a project to construct a building, once the building is constructed, the partnership will get dissolved. Next is limited partnership. They are the kind of partnership where one or more individual bear limited liability and at least one person have to bear unlimited liability, for example, any private equity firm. And next is unlimited partnership where all the partners have to bear unlimited liability, means they have to use their personal assets to pay the business debt, like Goldman Sachs. Here are some famous example of partnership firm. First is Goldman Sachs. Before converting into a corporation, it was a partnership firm which was started in 1869. Next is Infosys. Before converting into a corporation, it was also a partnership firm which was started by 7 engineers in 1969. Sorry, 1981. And Procter and Gamble, which was a partnership of William Procter and James Gamble, and next is Google, which was a partnership of Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Thank you.